Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with the plan with me in my classic happy planner. So before we jump in, a few reminders. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Also, feel free to comment below. What is your favorite color scheme for the fall? Mine, I'm about to show you what it is. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, we would love to have you here. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell. Okay, that was a mouthful for me, and you guys will have to excuse me. If you watched my previous videos, you know I was hospitalized last week, and now I'm back to planning, and I get a little winded. I did not have COVID, but definitely have other issues going on. But neither here nor there. I am excited to share with you guys the spread. So of course I was a little disappointed, as I stated in my previous video, that I didn't get to decorate my planner for the week of fall. If you look last week, it's totally blank. So I decided, you know what, fall just began. I don't have to be disappointed because I can have as many fall spreads as I want from now all the way through December. So here is the fall sticker book that I use, and I believe this is the one from last year. And the color scheme that is my favorite is these beautiful hues of blue, cranberry, gold, and that pumpkin color. So in addition, from that sticker book, I took some stickers. I was going to say two, which these are from autumn boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans, but also these small checklists came from there. Loving that autumn sticker book, and so glad I got a copy. I hope you were able to snag one as well. All right, so let's jump in, and I'm going to start by covering that up. And typically I like to use this side of the spread for my grocery list. So I'm going to put, and it's going down crooked, shopping list here. All right, and then we're going to get this lined cranberry colored sticker for our sidebar, and we're going to place it here. But well, you know what, before I put that down, let me make sure that I definitely have room for our quote, which says it's sweater weather. All right, so let's bring her down here. Perfect, because at worst case scenario, we'll move that up to accommodate this sidebar sticker. All right, let's see. Yep, so we'll just move it up just a little bit to accommodate, because I want all of this in our sidebar. All right, so we'll just put it up here, and it looks great. All right, so I love this sticker. It's fall, y'all, and we're just gonna kind of put it here. I don't have a whole lot going on. Of course, those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that I work from home, and I'm already very limited. Prior to this incident, this hospital visit, I was already very limited on, you know, going out and being out and about. Well, I'm even more limited now, so it's too bad for me, so sad, but at the same time, for my planner, means that I can put bigger stickers and take up more space. All right, I'm just gonna lift this a little bit because I have this full box sticker, and I did tear that sticker a little bit, that I wanted to, hopefully this doesn't tear anything else, that I kind of wanted to layer this sweater on top of. So let's see if I can get that done. Okay, perfect. All righty, so good with that. And then I saw all the fall colors on here, and I was like, you know what, this would be cute. This would be cute to kind of place right here. And then I wanted to layer just one more thing. So this is a nice cluster here. It says coffee, all the fall things. All right, so we can come up here and kind of, well, I do want the turquoise to show, but I don't want it to overpower what we have going on there. So maybe I'll put that there. Now, down here, I thought it would be cute if we came through with the cute little checklist, just 3. And we have another one up here for Wednesday. That is a checklist as well. Now, down here on the bottom, I already have a little cluster. And I'm going to place this here. All right. And then I thought it would be cute to put this fall scented candles. Now, what's interesting about fall scented candles is they are not my favorite. I do not like those cinnamony, warm smell. Like, I don't like that. I do not like them at all. So we're gonna do that. And I don't know if I want to sit this like right on top of this as well. Maybe overkill because these are exactly the same, but I figure since this had some burgundy, it could really tie our colors in. All right, I want to grab my little leaves and kind of just put them over in this area, okay? And I think that looks pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put this one over here, okay? All right, so I'm liking that. That's cool, that's cool. I think I need something here, but we'll worry about that in just a minute. All right, so on the other side, I wanted to do something very similar. Put something not super large, but pretty big. That's taking up that entire box. And then this sticker says soft hats. So I was like, this must go here. That's perfect. And then we are going to bring some pops of burgundy on this side, and we can do it with this burgundy leaf. And then I have made a blue because we want to make what we do on the right, we want to make it close to what we do on the left. So we'll come down here and notice here, this has something we're not using, but there's this cute, it's feeling like fall sticker that we can stick there to cover that up. Okay, and then down here in this corner, I have another, this one says knitting all the cozy things. And then we have this cute little blanket, I guess, I don't know, scarf, whatever this is being knitted here. I'm gonna bring this up. I wasn't quite ready for it to go down on the paper, and I wanted to bring it that way, okay? And then, of course, a leaf, and bringing some of the orange down there. And then we have wonderful. I think I want to bring this up and kind of put this, because I want to use this. Do we want it to go up here? Could it work there? And then we grab this little sticker, and instead of it saying today, we cover up the today and bring more orange to this page. Okay, I'm gonna put the pause on that one for a second. But this one says, let's read books and drink tea. I thought that was cute to put right under here. And then of course we have this cute orange sticker that we can use to put a little checklist here. Okay, and then down here, of course, we have another checklist sticker that can be added. Now, the thing is I think I want to pull this up, raise it a little bit, and kind of redo that area, because I'm not really feeling how this is gone down. So we're gonna bring all of this up because I'm being a little bit indecisive today. But it happens. I have my indecisive days, even though I pull my stickers and plan out how I want them to look. Okay, so we got that up. Can we get this up without ripping it? Okay, can we get this up? Okay. And can we get this up? Perfect. All right. So I'm going to put this down first. Okay. And I'm going to actually bring it about down here. Okay. Now, when I bring this over, I'm liking how that looks better. All right. And then where is the knitting? All the cozy things can go here. Okay. All right. And then we can also put this leaf here, which is fine. And then instead of layering that there, we can bring this here to like be a checklist there. Okay. Let's see if we can chop that leaf off just a little bit. All right. All right. So I think I want to find something to put there, some kind of to-do or something, some header there. But if I don't have one, I can probably, let's see. I just want something to go there. Let's see. Maybe we can just put this one up here. And then this one we can just put a to-do there. Okay. All right. Whew, I feel like, I wonder if I take this fall candle up and put it there. How would that look? And then that'll be one less sticker I have over here in this area. Like put it right here. I think that's cute. I think it's cute. So that is my favorite fall color scheme, kind of this blue and teal and orange and pops of that cranberry. So let me know what you think of the spread. I'm so excited. I'm officially jump started into fall. I know I did it with my monthly spread, but now I have it full-fledged here with this last week of September. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.